the capacity. Booklet page 65. Capacity. The definition of the capacity is the volume of the inner space of a hollow solid. So the capacity is the same as the volume. A meter cube, centimeter cube, decimeter cube, millimeter cube, they are units for measuring the volume. But the liter is the unit of measuring capacity. The volume train. To convert meter cube to decimeter cube, I will multiply by 1000. From decimeter cube to centimeter cube, I will multiply by 1000. From centimeter cube to millimeter cube, multiply thousands. I have the decimeter cube is the same as the liter, and the centimeter cube is the same as the milliliter. The capacity train. To convert the liter to milliliter, I will multiply by thousands. So to convert from liter to centimeter cube or milliliter, I will multiply by thousands. And to change from centimeter cube to liter, I will divide by thousands. If you want to find the capacity of any container, we have to use the inner dimensions of the container, not the outer dimensions. If you want to find the capacity, then we must find the volume in liters. I have to get the volume and then I have to change it into liter. Volume used for solids and the capacity used for liquids. Number 1, I have here convergence. I have 7.45 decimeter cube equal how many liters? Okay, I have the decimeter cube and the liters are equal, they are the same. So decimeter cube is equal to liter. So here it will be equal to 7.45 liters as it is. 7.3 liters equal how many centimeter cube? The liter, to convert it to centimeter cube, I will multiply by thousands to change from liter to centimeter cube. So 7.3 times 1000 equal 7,300 centimeter cube. I have here 1.2 liters equal how many centimeter cube? Again, to change from liter to centimeter cube, I will multiply by thousands. So 1.2 times 1000 equal 1,200 centimeter cube. Letter D. 0.25 meter cube equal how many decimeter cube? To change from meter cube to decimeter cube, I will multiply by thousands. So 0.25 times 1000 equal 250 decimeter cube. Page 66. Letter E. 3,500 centimeter cube equal how many liters? To change from centimeter cube to liter, I will divide by 1000. So I will divide 3,500 by 1000. It's equal to 3.5 liters. Letter F. 725,000 millimeter cube equal how many decimeter cube? To change from millimeter cube to decimeter cube, I will divide by 1 million. So 725,000 divided 1 million, it's equal to 0.725 decimeter cube. In letter G, 3.7 liters equal how many meter cube? So to change from liter to meter cube, I will divide by thousands. So 3.7 divide 1000 equals 0.0037 meter cube. 23,000 cubic centimeters, which is centimeter cube, it's equal to how many meter cube? To change from centimeter cube to meter cube, I will divide by 1 million. So it will be equal 23,000 divided by 1 million, it's equal to 0.023 meter cube. Letter I, what is the unit for measuring capacity? Liter, it's the unit for measuring the capacity. Number 2, complete. I have another convergence. Letter A, 15 meter cube equal how many decimeter cube? To change from meter cube to decimeter cube, I will multiply by 1000. So 15 times 1000 equal 15,000 decimeter cube. 750 decimeter cube equal how many meter cube? So to change from decimeter cube to meter cube, I will divide by 1000. So 750 divided 1000 equals 0.75 meter cube. Letter C. 3.2 millimeter cube equal how many centimeter cube? To change from millimeter cube to centimeter cube, I will divide by 1000. So 3.2 divided 1000 equals 0.0032 centimeter cube. In letter D, I have 893 meters equal how many decimeter? To change from meter to decimeter times 10. So 893 times 10 equals 8,930 decimeter. In letter E, 260 centimeters squared equal how many meters squared? To change from centimeter squared to meter squared, it's divided 10,000. So 260 divided 10,000 equals 0.026 meters squared. Letter F, 96.8 decimeter squared equal how many meters squared? To change from decimeter squared to meter squared, I will divide by 100. So 96.8 divided 100 equals 0.968 meters squared. Letter G. What is the unit of measuring volume of liquids? Volume of liquids, it's the liter also. If a cuboid, in letter H, if a cuboid-shaped vessel has a volume of 4,000 centimeter cube, then the capacity of the vessel equal how many liters? So here I have centimeter cube, 4,000. To change from centimeter cube to liters, I will divide by 1,000. So 4,000 divided 1,000 equals 4 liters. Number 3, a cube-shaped vessel, its internal edge length is 50 centimeters. It's filled with water. Calculate the capacity of the vessel. To find the capacity, I have to find the volume of the cube. So the volume of the cube, it's equal to side times side times side. And here the edge length or the side is equal to 50 centimeters. So to find the volume, it's equal to side times side times side. So it's equal 50 times 50 times 50 equal 125,000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cube. To find the capacity should be in liter. So I have to change the centimeter cube into liters. How to change from centimeter cube to liter? I will divide by 1,000. So I will divide 1,025,000 divided 1,000 equal 125 liters. Booklet page 67. Number 4. A container in the shape of a cuboid, its internal dimensions are length 20 centimeter, width 25 centimeter, and height 40 centimeter. It's filled with oil. Calculate the capacity of the container. To find the capacity of the container, I have to get the volume of the container first. The volume of the container of the cuboid, it's equal to length times width times height. So it's equal 20 times 25 times 40 equal 20,000 centimeter cube. The capacity should be in liters, so I have to change the centimeter cube into liters. So the capacity will be equal 20,000 divided 1,000 equal 20 liters. Number 5. A container has 15 liters of honey. It's want to put them in smaller bottles. The capacity of each of them is 2,500 centimeter cube. So I have a container, its capacity is 15 liters, this is the big container, and I want to put them into smaller bottle. and the capacity of each bottle is 2,500 centimeter cube. Calculate the number of bottles which is needed for that. Whenever I find that I want to calculate the number, it means that big capacity over small capacity. As we used before to do the number when I have the volume, it was big volume over small volume. So to find, first I have to find the capacity of the bigger container, and then I have to find the capacity of the bottles, and then I have to get the number. The capacity of the smaller bottle, it's equal to 2,500 divided 1,000 equal 2.5 liters. Take care that here the unit is centimeter cube. I have to change it into liters. So to change the capacity, it will be 2,500 divided 1,000 to change them into liters, 2.5 liters. So now I want to get the number. The number of the bottles equal the big capacity over the small capacity. So it's equal 15 over 2.5. It's equal to 6 bottles. Number 6. A cubic container with edge length 5 cm. An amount of solder is put in it. Find the capacity of the container. Find the capacity. I have to get the volume of the container. The volume of the cube, it's equal to side times side times side. So it's equal 5 times 5 times 5, equal 125 centimeter cube. To find the capacity, it's equal to 125 divided 1,000, it's equal to 0.125 liters. Then, in letter B, the total price of solar if the price of 1 liter of solar equal 1.5 LE. To get the total price, I will multiply the price of 1 liter times the capacity that I have here. So I will multiply 0.125 liters, this is the price, times 1.5, which is the price of 1 liter, equal 0.1875 LE. Booklet page 68. Number 7. A container has 12 liters of water. It's wanted to put them in smaller vessels or bottles. The capacity of each of them is 400 centimeter cube. Calculate the number of bottles which is needed for that. And I find that I have here container 12 liter. This is the capacity of it. And I want to put them in smaller bottles. The capacity of each bottle is 400 centimeter cube. So I want to find the number. We said before, to find the number, I have to get the big capacity over the small capacity. But here, take care that the small capacity of the bottle is in centimeter cube. So I have to change it into liters. So first, I have to change the capacity of the smaller bottle from centimeter cube into liter. To change from centimeter cube to liter, I will divide by 1,000. So the capacity of the smaller bottle will be 400 divided 1,000 equals 0.4 liters. Now I can get the number. The number of bottles will be equal the big capacity over the small capacity. The big capacity is 12 over the small capacity is 0.4, so the number of bottles is 30 bottles.